Welcome to our program, where we explore the fascinating world of biotechnology and how it is shaping our lives. Today, we will delve into the workings of biotechnology and discover how it is revolutionizing various fields, from healthcare to agriculture. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of this cutting-edge science and explore its impact on our world. Biotechnology, the integration of biology and technology, has emerged as a powerful force that is changing our world in profound ways. By harnessing the power of living organisms and their cellular components, scientists and researchers are developing innovative solutions to some of humanity's most pressing challenges. Let's begin by exploring the field of healthcare. Biotechnology has opened up new frontiers in diagnostics, treatment, and personalized medicine. Through advances in genetic engineering, scientists can modify genes to develop targeted therapies for previously untreatable diseases. Biotechnologists can manipulate the DNA of organisms, allowing them to create therapeutic proteins, gene therapies, and vaccines. These breakthroughs offer hope for conditions like cancer, genetic disorders, and infectious diseases. Biotechnology is also transforming the world of agriculture. By employing genetic engineering techniques, scientists are enhancing crop traits to improve yield, nutrition, and resistance to pests and diseases. Biotech crops, such as genetically modified organisms, GMOs, are engineered to withstand harsh environmental conditions, reducing the need for pesticides and increasing productivity. These advancements help address global food security challenges. Beyond healthcare and agriculture, biotechnology is making significant contributions to environmental sustainability. Scientists are using bioremediation techniques to clean up polluted sites and developing biofuels as a renewable energy source. Bioremediation uses microorganisms to break down pollutants, mitigating the impact of oil spills, chemical waste, and other environmental disasters. Additionally, biofuels, derived from renewable sources like algae and crop residues, offer an eco-friendly alternative to fossil fuels. While biotechnology holds immense promise, it also raises important ethical considerations. As we continue to push boundaries, it is crucial to balance scientific progress with responsible practices. Biotechnology presents us with remarkable opportunities, but we must ensure transparency, proper regulation, and careful consideration of potential risks. Ethical frameworks and public dialogue are essential to navigate these complex issues. As we conclude our exploration of biotechnology, it is clear that this field is rapidly changing our world. From improving human health to addressing food security and environmental challenges, biotechnology offers hope and potential for a better future. However, we must remember that the responsible and ethical application of biotechnology is crucial to ensure its benefits reach everyone and avoid potential pitfalls. By embracing the power of biotechnology and working together, we can create a world where science and technology drive positive change for all. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey into the world of biotechnology. Stay tuned for more exciting discoveries and innovations that are shaping our world.